In today's challenge, I'm doing something that breaks every trading rule you've ever heard. No stop loss, no fear, just pure confidence. I'm taking a $69 account, and I'm flipping it to over $2,000. This isn't luck. It's precision, timing, and absolute trust in my analysis. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. I'm showing you my high-risk strategy and mindset in action. If you're a trader who loves these high-stakes flips, smash that like button, subscribe, and join my Telegram. Link in the description. All right, let's dive straight into the chart. My analysis points to a strong buy in gold. On the H4, gold has been on a long bullish run. It dropped into this supply area and showed a bullish wick rejection. On the second attempt, another rejection. And now, it's reacting from the same zone. That tells me one thing. This is where buyers are stepping in heavily, ready to push for a new high. Before my first entry on the M5, gold broke this trend line, made a clean retest, and I confidently entered my buys right there. Price is already up, but I'm going for round two, another entry. Gold had a target to reach today, and it's giving us another chance. I am not using a stop loss. I am ready to blow this account if I have to. If price pulls back 50 pips, I lose everything. But I trust my setup fully. On the M1, I see a head and shoulders pattern forming. I know this structure. Gold is preparing for a strong jump to my target. I'm adding more positions to maximize this move. Look at that. Gold is moving smoothly. This isn't new. It's the same repeating structure every single day. Since my target is close, I'll scale in more buys to completely dominate this trade. I'm sharp, focused, and my equity can handle it. Boom! There we go. Gold is just too good, and too easy to trade when you understand the structure. I've got my push. My account is now massive.
Put your faith.
I don't need to hold because there's a supply zone ahead. I'm locking in profits right now. My rule is simple. Analyze equity, trust structure, and take profit when the market gives it. One strong setup, one smart exit, and a high reward. That's all it takes. New day, new setup. Today, my bias is selling gold. I was looking for buys earlier, but now everything screams sell. My $400 account is ready. It's either going to eat or get eaten. After I closed my buys, gold dropped into my strong demand zone and broke it overnight. That break turned it into a powerful supply zone, the perfect place to sell. I waited patiently. Price reached that supply, I saw a clean structure shift, and I took my sell entries right at the retest. Now, there's no need to be scared. I'll risk 20 pips at a time, no stop loss. I'm fully aware I could lose it all, but I know this is the move.
I built this shit! Me! Brick by brick!
Look at that. Gold is dropping superbly. The zone is holding strong, pushing price down aggressively.
I'm not fucking leaving!
And just like that, my target is smashed to perfection. From $69 to $2,072. Done. The challenge ends here. The lesson is simple. You must learn to take big, calculated risks. Practice them every day until confidence becomes your normal state. Once that happens, flipping small accounts becomes effortless. If you have what it takes, I'll see you in the next one.